Good morning, Prof. My name is Enoch and then I'm presenting on the Intelligent Port and Harbor Data Insight Assistant. In today's maritime environment, ports generate massive volume of data from cargo movement, vessel arrivals, weather conditions, safety logs, and operational records. Yet, many of these insights remain unused because manual analysis is time consuming and inefficient. This project introduces an AI powered assistant engineered to streamline port operations, provide instant analytics, automate workflows, and support data driven decision making for port executives. Now, port and harbors faces continuous challenges, of which are inefficient data processing, slow reporting, manual workflows, delay in decision making, lack of real-time visibility into operations. And so these limitations reduces performances and increases operational cost. There is a growing need for a system that analyzes data automatically and communicates insights instantly. And so we want to look at some of the solution overview that can help with this data insight assistant. The Intelligent Port and Harbor Insight Assistant solves these challenges by combining automation, data analytics, and AI-driven conversations. The assistant delivers real-time insight, automated data summaries, and also predictive analysis, error-free reporting, smart workflow automation, and then seamless integration with external systems such as email, spreadsheet, and dashboard. Now let's look at how the assistant works. The assistant is built using custom GPT technology, and it is capable of understanding port-related data and terminology. It's also capable of processing uploaded data sets, generating insight from structured and unstructured data, triggering automated action on platforms like make.com, and also producing instant reports, emails, and notifications. Its intelligence comes from prompt engineered instruction, custom knowledge, and automated workflow integration. Now let's look at how this intelligent insight assistant works by using the workflow diagram explanation. Now here is the workflow diagram system. It has some stages, and basically 4 stages. The first stage is the user input stage. This is where the port manager or the analyst provides a data set or ask a question. And then the number 2 is that the data processing layer. This is where the assistant analyzes vessel traffic, cargo volumes, operations, or safety data using built-in reasoning and summarization capabilities. The third point is the automation layer. When required, the system triggers the workflows on make.com, such as sending emails, generating reports, or updating a spreadsheet. And the fourth stage is the output stage. This is where the assistant returns all the insights, predictions, and visual summaries instantly. And so this workflow ensures smooth communication between human decision makers and automated system. We also have the architectural diagram of the system, and the architectural diagram is divided into 4 main components. The first component is the front-end layer, which is the user interface, and at this point, this is the custom GPT chat space where the port staff interact with the assistant. The second point is the AI reasoning layer. This is where the assistant uses advanced reasoning, data interpretation rules, and custom instructions tailored to port operations. The third point is the automation layer, where make.com integration takes place. And this is when specific triggers are activated. Automations handles tasks such as sending automated email responses, generating PDF or Excel report, and updating port operations database. And then the fourth point is the data source layer. These include uploaded data sets, operational logs, port performance spreadsheet, and integrated external data such as weather or vessel schedules. Together, these components create a powerful intelligent hub for ports. Now, let's look at a demonstration walkthrough. So, a port manager uploads a vessel movement spreadsheet. The assistant analyzes the data, identifies the busiest day, highlights delays, and recommends improvement. And then the manager asks the AI assistant to send a summary email to the operations team with the make.com workflow. The assistant automatically drafts and sends the email, saving time and reducing manual workload. And so we know that this assistant AI brings a lot of benefit to the port and harbor industry, of which are faster decision making, accurate data insight. It reduces operational delays, automated reporting, and then improves communication and enhanced productivity of port executives, and also lowers administrative cost. And so, in view of this, the insight helps the port with many benefits. And so I will conclude by saying that the intelligent port and harbor insight assistant represents the future maritime data management. And by combining these automations, artificial intelligence, and real-time analytics, this system empowers port authorities to operate more efficiently, safely, and intelligently. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Bye-bye.